Hey guys, what's going on? Rob from ClicksGeek, and today's video I want to kind of just walk you through some different ad group examples and how to build your ad groups and how they should be structured is probably the most important part of AdWords that people get wrong, and if you get this wrong, you're going to totally screw up your campaign and you're going to burn a ton of money. So let's just get started with this right now. So we're in our client's junk campaign. We're looking at the last 30 days of data, and we're just going to take a look. I'm going to show you how this is structured out. So let's just sort it by alphabetical. And you can see here, everything is it's all separated, all right? So all of our carry junk removal keywords are in the carry ad group. Our Chapel Hill, so this guy's obviously North Carolina. Our Chapel Hill junk removal keywords are all in the Chapel Hill junk removal ad group. They're nowhere else. So carry is only in the carry. Chapel Hill is only in the Chapel Hill. We have Durham is only in the Durham. So you see what I'm doing here? Everything is separated. Estate cleanout has only estate cleanout keywords in it. Fence removal has only fence removal. This is very broken down. Junk removal is just straight up junk removal. You're not going to see junk removal in any other ad group. I mean, just the word junk removal, I'm saying. Like, if you look at the keywords for junk removal service, near me, affordable junk removal, cheap junk removal. And you can also see we're doing all exact match. This campaign's super dialed in. So if we go back out to ad groups here, that's really all you have to do. It's not that difficult. So what you're going to do if you want to create a new ad group, now I'm trying to figure out how to do this without exposing the client's URL in his ads because that is just no bueno. So let's say we wanted to add a new ad group. We would come up here, so there's two ways you can do it. There's the way that I'm not going to show you right now because I can't do it without exposing the client's URL, and I just can't do that to them. I don't have permission to do that. So here's the first way. So you would just click this. You would hit copy, edit, paste. Now what this is doing is copying the ad group here. I'm going to show you why we're doing that in a minute. So let it do its thing. And we'll see how it does. Come on. And what we're going to do is just take the cloned ad group and we're just going to repurpose it because we already have ads. So each ad group should have 3 ads too, by the way. All right, so this is basically, I'm going to build an ad group from scratch with you right now. All right, so come on. What the hell's taking so long? All right, so here we have our cloned Apex junk removal. Let's just say we want to do, we pretty much have everything covered. So let's just say we want to do like refrigerator. There we go. Refrigerator removal. I think that's spelled wrong. Yep. Okay, so we'll get rid of that and save. So we have our new refrigerator removal ad group. First thing you're going to do is go into that ad group and we're going to remove all of the keywords in it because these are from the cloned ad group and we don't want these keywords in here. And we want to put our new keywords in here. So you remove those. Then what I do is I usually add like a base keywords, exact match. So I do like refrigerator, I don't know how to spell this, removal. Hopefully it lets me. Probably because I spelled that like a dope. So let's try that. There we go. Refrigerator removal, exact match. We hit save. All right, so it's going to, now when I pull up this, it should show me some keywords here. If not, we have to go into the keyword planner. Okay, so appliance removal, refrigerator recycling, stuff like, so it's all showing me refrigerator disposal. That's what we want. Refrigerator pickup. That could be not a great intent keyword because it could be people trying to pick up refrigerators from like Home Depot or something. You never know. People search for things in weird ways. So refrigerator removal we already have. Fridge removal, that's a good one. Fridge recycling we don't really want. Old refrigerator pickup, we can try that one. Fridge pickup, we can try that. Fridge freezer disposal, we can try that. Old refrigerator removal, these are gold. Freezer removal, we'll hit more. So obviously you want to do your keyword research. I'm just kind of cruising through this with you guys. If you watch one of my keyword research videos, you'll know exactly how to find and stack up your ad group. All right, so that looks pretty good. Refrigerator haul away. Oh, that's a good one. All right, so I'm not going to keep going down this because you get the idea. So you want to go through and find all of your remove me, disposal, pickup, and you might even, you know what, honestly, I mean, depending how crazy you want to get, you could break off these into different ad groups, put all the disposal words in one ad group, put all the pickup in one ad group, and put removal in one ad group. Honestly, it's probably what I would do if I was going crazy with it. But for today's sake, we'll just throw these into keyword wrapper. And just exact match them. There we go. Copy those. Bring that back over here. Drop those in. Save. Now next you'll go into your ads, which I'm not going to do because I don't want to expose the client's URL. And you're going to have all your ads in this ad group are going to be the ads from the one we cloned. So you're just going to want to swap out all the keywords and text. So you're going to be these ads will all talk about refrigerator removal services, refrigerator disposal, old refrigerator pickup, all stuff like that. And that's pretty much it when it comes to creating ad groups. All right, so the most important thing is relevancy, keyword relevancy to ad relevancy to landing page relevancy. So if they go to a landing page and it says nothing about refrigerator pickup or removal or anything, you're gonna have problems. You're gonna have shitty quality scores. You're gonna get, it's just gonna be a mess. It's not gonna convert well because people are coming here based on the keywords you chose. Your ads are showing. They're seeing your ad saying, "Oh, hey guys, we're in Durham and we pick up old refrigerators. Click here. We can help you. Get a free estimate." And they click here, they click the ad, go to the landing page, and it's talking about removing couches. They're going to be like, "What the hell, man?" So it's not. They're going to bounce right off the page. So that's the most important part too, is message match, and I can't stress that enough. That you guys get the message match right. But so this is one of the faster ways that I like to create new ad groups. I just clone and swap everything out. Or you could just hit the plus sign and go straight through how Google takes you to do it and just build them like that. I just think cloning them and swapping out the info is much faster. It's really, dealer's choice at this point. But this is what I like to do. The most important takeaway from this video should be relevancy. And honestly, I probably should break these keywords up into different ad groups. Like I said, I would take all of the disposal keywords and I put those in their own ad group. I would take the removal, put that in their own ad group, pick up in its own ad group, and probably even haul away, because I'm sure I could find more of these type of keywords if I went into Keyword Planner, and break them up, because that is the most important part. And then make sure in each of the new ad groups you create that your ads are each talking about the specific type of keyword. So all your ads are talking about are pickup, or old refrigerator pickup, old freezer pickup, stuff like that. All right, so that's the most important takeaway from this video is relevancy. That's all Google cares about, is the user experience. And when your message match is perfect, the user's experience is perfect, you'll get high quality scores, you'll get a lot higher conversion rates. And that's why this campaign is so dialed in. I think you saw it was, what was it, converting at 42% over the last 30 days. So that's a really awesome conversion rate, and I'm happy with that. But anyways, if you guys have any questions about creating new ad groups or how to structure them or anything like that that you don't understand that I just explained, leave a comment below this video and I will jump in and answer anything I can. Also, make sure you check out the links in the description. I'll put some useful stuff in there for you guys. And also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the red subscribe button down on the bottom right of this video, because we drop a lot of how-to content, and I think you guys will definitely find that useful.